So yesterday I put out a video which was a determine the output question, and this was a simple YouTube short, and a lot of people commented on that video. But I noticed that a few of the answers were wrong. So this was the exact same question, and let us go through it line by line. So the initial part of this question is quite easy. Initially we assign 5 to A, so A is just an integer. B is number 2, but it is in quotes. So when something is in quotes, it becomes a string. So B is 2, which is a string. And then C is where the main magic happens. So C is where we are actually evaluating something, and that's what we are printing out finally. So the first part of this expression of C is quite easy. It is just now number 5, as it is over here, will come down. And then we have this, which is int of B star 2. Now, some people would think that this would give an error because B star 2, that basically means you're trying to multiply a string. So let's see if we can do this using an example. So if I have B and I have B as 2 itself, and if I was to print, if I was to print B star 2, it would not give an error, but it would print the number 2 successively. So instead of 2 over here, if I was to print something like 5, it would print the number 2, but 5 times. So let's go back to our main example. So over here, B star 2 would take the 2 from the string and add another 2 after it. So it will become 22. But the type of this 22 is still a string. So now we're converting it back into an integer. So finally, C just evaluates to 5 plus 22, which should be 27. And that is the output.